Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about how to turn iPhone off or on. So let me show you. So I'll start with how we can turn off your iPhone. The usual way how we can turn off your iPhone is we have two methods. One is all about you just need to go over here in the control over here at the top, and you can see there is a power icon. You have to do like a kind of just press over here for a second, so this comes. It's kind of like a 3D kind of thing. You just need to press it for once again. Now you can just slide to power it off. So I'm not going to do that because we're in the middle of video. So let me go for it, cancel it. And another method is all about if you want to turn off your iPhone, all you have to do is you have to press the volume up and power button together. So let me show you. Just press and hold the power button over volume up and power button. That's going to bring you this. Now from here you can slide to power off so that your iPhone will be turned off. So this is how we can do it. These are the two ways how we can turn off your iPhone. Right now, if you want to turn on your iPhone and if you don't know, the only one way is all about you have to just press and hold the power button there. So let me do it. Press and hold for a couple of seconds. And right now you see the Apple logo, you can remove your hand. So just wait. Right now your phone is getting starting up. So all you have to do is just wait for a couple of seconds. Now you can just do is you can sign in the sense you can give the passcode and you can just sign that what it is. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.